Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. But today I'm working outside, and I have my little grandson, Knox. We share the same birthday, so I'm just kind of out here crocheting a little bit. The kids are playing. Show him your truck. Here's his little truck he's playing with. And so yeah, he just turned 4, and then little Charlie May, she just turned 2 in January, and she's out here with her Papa. He's helping him work, and Knox just kind of wants to play. He helped a little bit, and I'll show some clips, some little video clips of him working a little bit. But yeah, so I just wanted to jump on here while the I guess the saw electric saw wasn't going. But yeah, they're over there, and I don't know if you can see Hugh. Hold on, he's working. Let's see. Okay, the blue chair's in the way, so let me move that blue chair. Okay, so we're back. I just moved the chair out of the way, and I put us in the screen a little better. But yeah, we're just kind of hanging out, and Charlie May, you see her in the background a little bit here and there. And just want to say I enjoyed putting together the Crochet Along, the mystery crochet book. Oh my gosh, those cheesecakes were so good. If you haven't tried them, you've got to try them. And Knox hasn't tried them yet, so I'm gonna have to feed one to him later. Yeah, there's this little truck. He's had that truck since he was little bitty thing. Yeah, he's been putting some dirt in it and keeping it dirty. Now he did get some dirt in his eye, so we had to clear that up. So hopefully he's okay now. Yeah. But see them working in the back there? Yeah, it's that eye right there. So he's been, we have a little rag. Do you need a little rag? Dab your little eye. There you go. But you can see Charlie May and Hugh working in the background, clearing out. We had cut down 7 trees, hickory nut trees, in the back of our yard back here. And so he's been pulling the branches and stuff in the front, you know, for them to come and pick up. But yeah, that's all. We're just kind of hanging out today. We're fixing to go eat a buffet, and I plan on getting some vegetables, mostly vegetables, 1 meat, and some fruit, and maybe a little side salad. That's what I'm gonna get today. But yeah, yeah, there's colors right there. Let me get that leaf off your hair. Come here. Let me get the leaf off your hair. Whoa. Come say hi to everybody. Come here. I enjoyed doing that. If you haven't joined that Crochet Along, guys, go ahead, join it. You will love it. And then I'm still working on the temperature blanket one. And right now I'm working on some orders that I'm getting paid for. So, yeah. You getting all Gigi's kisses?
I get sugar.
Yeah. I'm giving you all my sugar.
Look at sugar and then say, what are you saying?
Yeah. Tell everybody that you love to crochet.
Okay, what's a crochet?
Yeah.
And that monster choking, man.
And he's got his monster truck. Yeah. So, I guess Charlie May must have took off with Papa H.
Look at the backyard.
Yeah, that's the back. And that's the front. It's supposed to make sounds, but we kind of left it outside and became an outside toy, didn't it?
Look at engine.
Yeah.
But it's that.
It's an engine, but it's broke right now because we left it as an outside toy. See? So now it's just an outside toy. So anyway, leave a comment and let us know what you guys are working on and stuff like that in the comment box, and say hi to Knox. Yeah, like I said, we share the same birthday, March the 6th, so he just turned 4. You jump through that? Tell me you're 4.
4 cookies.
Yeah, he's 4. Hey, tell him what your favorite food is.
Favorite food is a vegetable and a fish.
No, it's chicken nuggets. Say chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
Yeah. Hey, tell him how you say hamburger.
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 Chicken nuggets.
Yeah, say chicken nuggets, here we come.
Chicken nugget, here we come.
He said that in the backseat of the car. I about died.
Dad.
Yeah.
Dad.
Just out of the blue, he was sitting back there and he said, chicken nuggets, here we come. So that was cute. So yeah. Yeah. I see Charlie Mae back there just working away. Look at her, trying to find things to do. Yeah. But yeah, he is getting all that brush cleared, and then they're fixing to be raking leaves and all that good stuff. They spent the day at the park yesterday. Yeah. They've been doing all kinds of little work around here, helping Papa H and helping me. I see little ones back there behind me. That's my pencil. Thank you.
Hello.
Well, you have, okay, here. Say, tell everybody hello.
Hello.
Well, that's about all you get. Hold on. Okay, there you go. All right, so now I guess it's back to just being me. But yeah, I've got some paid orders that I'm working on. I'm on spring break today. I guess would officially be the last day because school starts back Monday. So I've got that to do. And today is my sister Tanya's birthday. Happy birthday, Tanya. Be sure and everybody tell her happy birthday. I know y'all did that in my Wednesday video, and I appreciate that so much because she watches my videos, and so she saw that and it really made her day. But today is actually her birthday. So in my family there are 5 of us girls, and 4 of us in the same year. We are all even numbers, and the last one, since we're only 14 months apart, she's odd. So this year I'm an odd number, so all my sisters are odd numbers. And then my little sister, when she has her birthday in June, she'll be an even number. So that means she's odd for at least, I don't know, 4 months, 5 months, like that. But anyway, let's see, what else do I got going on? Oh yeah, I'm still working on the hamburger. And yeah, so Jalen, if you're watching this, see if you can find your picture from when you were little where I made you a hamburger. That would be really cool if you could do that. So, well, guys, I guess I better get back to work. I just want to jump on here. Oh, let me mark my row off because I don't have a row counter. Believe it or not, I don't have a row counter. I mean, I do, but they're all taken up. Okay, there we go. All right. Oh, and I have the right hook this time. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life. No, wait, no. Let me get that right. Okay, guys, just remember to keep crocheting, live life, and have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.